Hello students. As promised, here are the alternative assignment opportunities for EDU221. I'm using Sanford programs, Sanford Inspire specifically, and so I want to walk you through this and let you see how I am approaching it. So you have the link to log on, and once you log on, then this is the screen that you see. You've got four different educational programs. I'm using Sanford Inspire, which is the second from the left. So once we go there, you'll find that there is a whole host of resources available to you. And my goodness, it's really, really cool. There's lots of great information, yet looking at it, pretty overwhelming. So quickly, I looked and saw that in the bottom right-hand corner, there's the map of modules, and I clicked on that. So the map of modules lays everything out. There's also some redundancy, but it lays everything out in a really neat little package. And I immediately downloaded the print version, and that's what you see attached to the announcement in Canvas. So there are pathways, 1, 2, 3, 4 that are orange for pathways, and then there are two pathways that are blue. Now, in each pathway, you have a variety of units and then topics. So in the document that I uploaded, EDU221 Sanford Inspire modules, I selected the ones that I thought were most appropriate for EDU221, and I blacked out all the others. I used a really high-tech method here for selecting these, but in a pinch and having to work quickly, this was the best thing that I came up with. So if you take a look at the PDF, the document that I provided for you, it talks about the overview of the two pathways, and then it has modules underneath it. Now, I also took a look at the course competencies for EDU221, and it's analyzing instruction, relationships, and classroom management. So I tended to focus on those when I looked at the modules. So the very first one, Pathways, Building Practices, under the unit of Learning Environment, and the topic of student interactions, I saw, and let me click on that, I saw building relationships with students. And boy, I thought that was a really good one for our needs. Note that it's going to take about 30 minutes to complete that module. So that's one that you would have the ability to choose from. When we are in class, I'm going to talk about this a little bit more and talk about the debrief of how this applies to service learning and how you can look at using this resource with the hours that you've already completed, if you've already done so, and how you can make this work with the other EDU courses that you have. All right, students, see you soon.